right, welcome back. Yes, the 4th day of January 2016. We still get the gospel singer extraordinaire and Priye inside the studio.
Yeah, we're still there. We're still there. Still
yes,
playing.
the ABS Zina guy. You don't drop another one?
That ABS Zina a song from my album. So, but I still get Bully. I think that one at the first video, my first and only video before now. Okay, but I get Bully now. Yeah, Bully means lift them up, carry God up, everything. Like what this guy, this Nick talked about, carry God up, no matter the circumstances.
I go like listening to the song.
It will give you that peace of mind. Yeah? No worries. You carry God up.
I trust you. Yeah. All right, now we're going to just tell you one of the stories we trend over the weekend. Now, I concern one 19-year-old girl for Inside Kano, where now one journalist will actually bless her and donate wheelchair give her. Now, they say before they actually give her this wheelchair by a good Samaritan, we be Malam Ibrahim, they say a few days ago, 90-year-old Rama Aruna, person where they live for inside Kano village, that they carry her for inside plastic container by her brother on the head. If they carry the sister on the head, they walk around town, they beg for money. Now, this journalist, where further work for BBC, he sees this story of this girl and decide to donate wheelchair, give her. Now, before we say anything concerning this particular girl, make we just watch the video.
Shatara. Ke mutum ne na ce? A haka aka haife ki? Ladi Makole. Hatsari ne ko? Ina yarinya yana haɗi. Kika faɗi? Ba polio bane kuwa? Tana.
When this particular video and also the pictures we trend online, a lot of people put the caption say, in as much as she physically challenged like this, she still get that smile on her face. Talk less of you where they complete, but still, they actually demand for more. Now, seeing this video, I just want to ask her this question. It get any reason why anybody on planet Earth not go take grateful?
I believe say Priye would like to start.
Well, I want to say smile no be personality. Smile na state of mind. State of mind. So when you carry that kind of mind, the thing will come out, like appear for your own personality. So somehow now your smile make the person you be. So no matter what you they pass through, that is why this guy talk about that too. And this girl too, she just a smile, You get with him, Bible self-talk say, hope are the thing where they cause person not to be ashamed. When you get hope, that hope now, this smile inside of you, irrespective of anything, you just smile. So that smile becomes the person you are, Wow. So if this girl just take him like the way she be, maybe that journalist for no see her. If be saying that this smile, I make the journalist see her too. So,
but you can imagine, someone 19 years old, they carry her for a bowl.
Before we start, when I see him, I ask you, say, it's difficult for me to believe, say, that kind of person did this planet Earth. And she did reach 19. So at the age of 1, 2, 3, how she take, as ladies, some kind of things they happen with ladies, body they change, things they happen. At age 19, and she did said, okay, I know they're emotional, but it did really touching. To see that kind of person, and you still believe, say, get hope. And on. If she did as she did, and she get hope, she see they smile, they laugh, they follow people, they talk, hello, who you be? Why waiting day when if you say thank you. They're grateful. I don't think any reason they again not to be grateful. I know personally, I don't feel say any reason on this earth they may not be grateful.
I tell you.
I totally agree with you, Amaka, because actually I see this video and everything online, but I jump and pass because when I see the picture alone, it touched me. So when I constantly say get video for my mind, they talk say no, I no go and watch this thing. But people like we. They're not going to let me dig great. They want me to watch them by fire, by force. And I don't watch them now. And the only thing within my head be say, like you talk, I find them very difficult to actually think, say, people like this, they're amongst us, because now one of the many things that we take for granted for inside our lives, because say we they complete, you feel wake up in the morning, you feel waka go everywhere, you feel laugh, you feel do everything without any pressure or any thing where they bother your mind. You not go even think, say that you get some people where they actually find them difficult to even smile. You get some people they find them difficult to work out. They work out. When you say, okay, I just want to reach that chemist today, you feel saying just normal thing, everyday thing. But you get some people who don't get the ability to do those things. And now when you watch this kind of video, you go actually realize, say, yes, I get every reason to be grateful. Even if you wake up this morning and then you don't get anything to eat or you don't get anything to wear, the fact say you dey complete from head to toe, so you still they breathe in the breath of life, they enough to dey grateful. Whether you get job, you no get job, whether your mama or papa don't die or then they, whether anything they bother you at all, the fact say you they breathe and you they fine. Now you're not reason to be grateful.
You know, this thing where you just talk now remind me of something one person tell me one time. It's all over there, go, they find miracle, they find miracle. Then I say, yes, people they find miracle, but if you tell me what miracle be, because me also I get my own definition for miracle. You gonna say miracle now anything where you no expect, for Christ's sake. Say you sleep, wake up, now one of the biggest miracle on your own. Because you feel sleep, because some people don't sleep, they don't wake.
Yeah.
But you wake up and you tell me say no be miracle. Everybody when they this life they experience miracle one way or the other. Now I look and say, okay, well done. You don't talk well. Because some people don't believe her.
Of course.
She, now miracle, if you ask me, her own case, now big miracle. Because all of us here still never feel understand how she survive. Obviously. It just they very...
And one thing I need to talk about, you know, most times, make you know big say, now people situation, they make us they grateful.
Exactly.
We need to be grateful every time. Because if you won't feel, say, because this person no get legs, then you get legs, then you want to be grateful. I think that's the wrong reason to be grateful. You have to be grateful even when you feel, say, you're not supposed to be grateful. You have to be grateful, you know?
Exactly.
We don't see people where they say, just because their neighbor gets cars, gets money and everything, that they choke their hand inside badness. Or sometimes go talk say, hey, not be the neighbor, not be na forehead the neighbor get where go get that one. I must be like the person. Or you just see Amaka, you like Amaka's skin, or person with they light skin, and then you go talk say, oh, why God not born me for America? Okay, if that's the case, I go inside market, go buy a bleaching cream. Use and take change your body. When God actually make you well, you still get the right to complain. For me, if you watch this video and you still complain about anything where they happen to you, then you actually they're very ungrateful. I'm serious. Every day, like what you told Betty Anna, even for the fact say you fit chop, now miracle on your own. Because a lot of people they not even fit chop. The fact say you feel even sit down. Everything in life, and for me, now miracle, and you need to be grateful. You need to actually be grateful. All right, we go put the video on our Facebook so that you go watch them and maybe get one or two things from the video we go motivate you today. All right, Facebook now talk dash Wazobia TV. Yes, if I would call another one. All right, now moving on. Over the weekend, what is happening between Don Jazzy and Olamide? Well, latest report, they don't actually shake hands.
They don't settle.
Yeah, they don't settle, but we will talk about it. Because there can be another repetition. Yes.
Repetition already there. See, that's Don Jazzy and Olamide own. The main one. You get the ones where they happen over the side.
Where
we hear. Where we hear, but we just overlook them because now the main elephants they fight. So when chicken come they fight by the side, we know to take them seriously. You understand? Okay. We see Davido and Cynthia Morgan. We see YC and Vector. The list is endless. We'll make we focus on the elephants.
Now, while they talk about our own, what we think about them, Charles Novia, where the Nigerian film director, producer, screenwriter, actor, social commentator, in the commerce side, put pen and paper on ground on what you think concerning Olamide versus Don Jazzy saga. Now, in commerce side talk, say Korede Bello, Kiss Daniel, Lil Kesh, and Ricardo Banks. Say 4 of these nominees, for me, they're closest to call for inside the category for the Eddies. He said, looking at the list, all of them, they get hit track for 2015. But my personal opinion, where actually they're entitled to be say, it's supposed to be between 2 of them. And these 2 people will at least come out at Korede Bello and Kiss Daniel. Because according to them, Korede Bello come out with Godwin, and Godwin everybody, not just in Nigeria. He actually trend everywhere. And Kiss Daniel, on the other hand, he actually come out with Wojuo. And this one trend, not just in Nigeria and everywhere. That's not why he actually put them for them. Now, he go come outside talk saying, for Olamide, is the way where they open, where he come outside on top stage, he actually reached for us to question a lot of things concerning this man, concerning the way they behave. He said, I seen they boast about Lil Kesh song, say Lil Kesh don't do this and do that. He said, for me, what he actually do, especially the fact that he do a lot of cursing on national TV where everybody they watch. He said that one day totally out of him. He said Don Jazzy on the other hand, from him to come up again and call out Olamide name. In the first place, Olamide not call his name. He said Don Jazzy too. They need to question him too. They need to question his own integrity too. Now he talk plenty things, but we just pick a little bit of waiting he actually come outside talk. Now, ladies, before we talk about him. Now the next rated act they give him to Korede Bello when he sing Catapult. No, Ricardo Band. When he sing Catapult. Now Olamide on the other hand, come outside talking and Lil Kesh supposed win him because he don't produce hit tracks. And Don Jazzy is to do it. What do you think about the old drama for the headies between Don Jazzy and Olamide? Let's talk about it.
Nollywood movie. The Nollywood movie just what
action film.
First of all, I totally agree when you say na drama because truly na drama. That's something where we say when they even start the headies. I mean, they watch them before I actually come out. But I know ever envisage say any of all this kind.
Envisage.
Yes,
right.
it's
Good.
2016.
So you need to,
you know,
yes.
I can actually envisage say any of all this drama go take place. And then just like Charles Novia talk, because I actually read the piece where Charles Novia writes. I read them from beginning to end, and I totally agree with him. First of all, in talk say Olamide. They claim, say, okay, Lil Kesh from back to back, all the hits where they drop, everything they trend, everything blow, as in they make money from them. So for me, as a record label owner, if your artist don't do so well in the year, why you never buy them that car where they cost the whole hustle? One. Then back to Don Jazzy as well. Don Jazzy say, okay, yes, say they don't even need the car. Say they fit afford the car, a bigger car for Ricardo. So if the car now Olamide issue, may they come collect the car. So if they fit afford that bigger car for an artist we sing Catapult, where they actually believe say he trend over the year and say he actually make the artist blow. Why Don Jazzy self never buy Ricardo the car? Because it's very easy for everybody to just come outside, they talk. Everybody want from Buga, oh, I'm bigger than you, come collect the car. This one saying a lie. You be a buyer. You be senior from out. You do nonsense. You do that. But at the end of the day, everybody wants that same thing. So why will they front?
I tell you. And he also talked something. He said, artist managers, they need to understand, say, song way blow for club and song way blow for apart from club. See, there are two different things, and they get their own two different ratings. True. Because you imagine Godwin and imagine Catapult.
Well, if I go put my side this thing, because I don't want to talk too much on top of this matter, because to me, I just feel say all these people, the drama don't plenty. Like you talk, we get different drama. But this particular drama, all because now Don Jazzy, I make me want to talk. In a way, I feel say Don Jazzy really no need climb that stage. Call Olamide, Olamide, if you want the car, come and take the car. I no expect them. Because as you take, you know when you kind of expect person reach one certain level, person do something, you go say, why you do this kind of thing? If you ignore this kind of thing, now wait till they worry you. If true, the car no be your wahala, you go by side, gross, can't take the car, carry thing, go. Or, like you say, buy the car for the Ricardo. So which one you can't climb to? Because they call the Olamide, they say, hey, she na the car. And
you know, say for Yoruba land, when you call your junior Egbo, na insult, na like cost, no be just insult.
So it did too much, if you ask me. And the award, why I know to talk about, because I don't know how they really do their own next rated. Everybody they shout, hey, this one blow, that one blow, because the song trend, that song trend. Who know what Ricardo do? We make them feel safe. Now Ricardo supposed to collect the award.
Amaka, concerning that award,
no, now
you got some things where
you want tell me say what's be this girl name? What's her name?
I talking about my sister.
Morgan.
Cynthia Morgan. She's not supposed to collect her.
Collect next rated. No, she win her own. She gets her own category where they put her there.
She also did.
No, she did same category.
Yes.
It was na Cynthia.
Cynthia,
Chris,
Kiss
Daniel,
Kiss Daniel, and this person now.
I thought it was
Lil
Kesh.
Kesh.
Yes,
five
Lil
of them.
Kesh.
Well, I be saying that just 4 of them.
5 of them.
But then, you know, at the end of this thing, I get plenty things to talk about on top of this same award thing. But I just try to censor a lot of my words because now you get some things where they're not going to say, na Betiana talk and come outside. You understand? These same people where they talk say, oh, they nominate this person supposed to win. Person like Praise, they nominate him 6 nominations. They don't
No,
win
it's
one.
one.
Yeah.
Nobody here in cry.
Nyanya even win at all.
They're nominating Nyanya. Nobody here in Nyanya. In fact, that particular night, Nyanya, they make money for where he did. So that one
Nyanya will produce sweet song.
So you can imagine.
No, please, I beg.
I tell you.
Praise,
For me, I understand say
actor,
artist
please.
manager, they actually stand up for the artist, but the way they go about them, totally out of it. Both of them, for me, they actually.
And if they're not that careful, this not something where we say if you continue like this, then go divide the industry.
Oh,
because when
yes.
this thing happen, we see people where they support Olamide Street to
Yes,
take over.
we can't get
We
the
can't
other
see the
party.
island people where they support Don Jazzy say okay, they can't do mainland and island. So I even see one meme on top of social media where person say some people are saying that Olamide owns the mainland and Don Jazzy owns the island. Say Mr. President, they're trying to divide this country.
You're just quiet.
You know what?
because this
You will actually talk about that when we come back after the break, but still, we go still leave trash for Loma. When we come back after the break, Priye go talk about
I know where you picked that line from. I know where you picked.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.